Hello friends, on 22nd November 2020 we started Harihar Fort trek journey early in the morning 5:30 from Dahanu along with my uncle Dilip Kadu and cousin Chase Bandari. We reached base village Arsewadi at 9 am. Arsewadi village is located at foothills of Sahyadri mountain ranges in Trimbakeshwar, Tehsil of Nasik district in Maharashtra, India. Let's start trek journey. We started ascending at 9:30. There were small shops from which you can buy water, chocolate.
मुसीबतें लाख आएंगी जिंदगी की राहों में, रखना तू सबर, मिल जाएगी तुझे मंजिलें एक दिन, बस जारी रखना तू सफर।
Trail is well marked. If you are going first time, then also you can easily go up to rock stairs. As we go up, valley looks more and more beautiful. After some time of walk, you reach at small rock patch which you have to climb. It is not difficult to climb up, but you should take care. After climb up rock patch, you reach at small plateau. There is small shop where you can drink lemon juice and rest for some time. Enjoying nice greenery, cool weather and stress-free atmosphere, we were trekking towards rock-cut stairs. We were at height of 825 meter from sea level. We could see water of Upper Vaitarna Dam. From that plateau, you can see Nagfani mountain. After some times of walk, you will get glimpse of 80-degree rock-cut stairs of Harihar Fort. To reach rock-cut stairs, you have to climb up another rock patch. It's not difficult to climb up rock patch, but you should be careful. Slowly and carefully we started ascending 80-degree rock-cut stairs. There is pocket in each stair. By holding that pocket, you can easily climb up the stairs. After climbing up stairs, you will reach first door of fort. There are another stairs to go to the top of the fort. To reach there, you have to go by small balcony.
Hi Mitesh, this is very dangerous situation. You can see this view from ground level 941 meters from sea level, and we are on the cut of the rocks.
After climbing second stair, you will reach on fort. There is large plateau. On fort, there are 3 to 4 water resources which is made up in the rock. the final climb of highest point of fort. We can see 360-degree views of Sahyadri mountain ranges from top. It looks very beautiful. There are many colorful wildflowers on the fort. Descent is more difficult than climb upwards. You have to be extra careful while descending.
इधर पकड़ के फोन अपना मोबाइल